Hi everyone and welcome back to .NET in Minutes. At some point, every API changes. You add fields, you remove endpoints, you change behavior. But here is the problem. Clients doesn't update at the same time. In this video, I will show you how API versioning actually works, why it exists, and how to version your REST API in .NET without breaking existing clients. Versioning is not about folders or attributes. It's about not breaking apps that already use your API. Explain with a simple story. Mobile app, use products. You change response shape, add crashes in production. In this example, versioning lets all clients keep working, while new clients move forward. Now let's create a fresh app without dependencies on previous video. Everything you see here works in on. So we have to add two NuGet packages. So go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, and or Solutions. Okay, and here, and we see that versioning right on browse. Okay, this is first one. Okay, and install. And the other one is this Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.MVC.versioning.API Explorer. Okay, install. Okay, perfect. We have to go to program.cs and after controller, add controllers. Okay, I will delete this. Here, builder dot services dot add API versioning, and we will map options, but I will write right there options. Oh, sorry for that. Options. So here we will have options dot default API version equal new version 1.0. Okay, options dot assume default version when unspecified equal true. Okay, here we have a problem. We have to write API version. Okay, and the last one, options dot report API versions true. Okay, that's all. Let's see where is the problem here. Okay, we have to add, using API Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.MVC. Okay, perfect. And the last one, builder dot services dot API add versioning API Explorer. Okay, again we have to map options, and we will have something like that. Options dot group name format equal v. Okay, and the last one, options dot substitute API version in URL equal true. Okay, and close it. So default version will be v1. All clients still work. and API advertises supported versions automatically. Perfect here. We will make versioning via URL the right way. This is the most common and safest strategy, URL-based versioning. So, in controller, we'll add a new controller with the name products controller. Okay, perfect. Here we have control base, everything set, and here we'll have API controller. Okay, API version, we have 1.0, and root we will have API v version API version, and after that slash products. Okay, I think everything is set up here, and we'll have a get method, public action result get a simple get. We have return OK, new version, equal 1.0, and products will have new laptop and phone. Okay, okay, this is it for the first controller. Now we will copy the method. Okay, we create a new controller. But first of all, we have to create a new folder. For v1 will be the first folder. We'll add this class. Okay, perfect. And we'll make a new folder named v2 folder, sorry, v2. Okay, and here we'll add a new controller, the MVC controller empty products controller. Okay, we'll add the same method, but here we'll change with 0 and have is an error. Okay, we'll have laptop 2 and phone 2, just an example, is not very much. Okay, and here API controller, API version will have 2.0 and API root, and root, sorry, not API, And I think the best option is to copy this. Okay, same endpoint, different versions, different response shapes, no breaking changes. Let's test it. Okay, before testing, we have to add two simple things. One, to test in Swagger. Here we have to add this swashbuckle.asp.NET Core. Okay, after we will install this, we have to change inline settings to add Swagger launch URL in HTTPS. You can add in HTTP simple, but for this test we have to add to HTTPS. Okay, and the last but the most important here, we have to add this add Swagger gen options that Swagger doc for v1 option that Swagger doc for v2, and is development. We have to add this little thing to work in Swagger. This is just for the test to work in Swagger. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, let's see if it works. So first of all, we have here Swagger /v1 /Swagger. Okay, test this get, and we receive laptop and phone. Okay, cancel. We'll change to v2 product, try it out, and we have laptop 2 phone 2 version 2.0. Clients decide when to upgrade. The API doesn't force them. Okay, so it worked, everything is set up. We have other versioning methods: query string, header based versioning, media type versioning. The most important things, they work but they are invisible. URL versioning is explicit and self-documented. Only version breaking changes. Never silently change behavior. Keep version simple. v1, v2. Deprecate, don't delete. This is very important. Deprecate, don't delete. Versioning is a contract. Breaking it breaks trust. Now you understand how API versioning actually works. Not just how to implement it, but why it exists. This is how real APIs evolve without breaking production clients. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.